written about, all the things I've speak about, and it allows me to illustrate this.
It's so cool. And you play good. First, I want to know, how did you get the way you are? I mean, because you must be incredibly inquisitive. And I mean, what was your life like? What was your schooling like, and what was your life like early on?
Well, I'm sort of like a research scientist. I'm not a scientist in the strictest sense, more research. Research has to take a number of different areas into consideration. If I get into pathology and psychopathology or pathophysiology, I have to take areas of philosophy, psychology. There's so many different areas you have to take into consideration when you're studying, let's say, bipolar 1 manic episode or mental disorders, mental disease as a whole. This is not supposed to be an intellectual show. This is supposed to...
Come on, man.
I didn't want to come here and have this discussion.
Listen,
I wanted this.
Listen, I don't know what to say, but some of this stuff I don't get. I told you that already. But like, what can you teach me? Like, what